mean, just to log in to Audit, just come to the to the link and log in with your Gmail account. That's you have the profile pages there. So I'll use this account. So to log in. So these are Google service. So as soon as it will ask you to give me permission, then I'll say yes. I'll say continue. It's loading my businesses. After which I'll select one of the business. So it's loading all my business profile. So in this case, you select the location that you need, to audit. So these are all my business locations. I'll just pick one, just for demo purposes. I think I'll just select this. So then it will start to check, see the score, and check for other. You can add something. Then remember to your location. You audit. This might take some time. It might take some time to check, so you could wait for it in the email. But as soon as you get your email, you see an email from Truehost SEO, and you open it. You open and say view ranking emails. And once it opens, to give it the score, pass what has failed, and you can see that. So let's see what I got. So this average ranking and domain name registration. You can see on these spaces that we are ranking number one, just around that space that we are checking. But for this keyword, average ranking is this, and it's not places number one, but it's places where we're ranking blah blah. But this for this keyword, this is one source you can see. It's not good. It's not good. So yeah, that's a report, and that tells you where the profile is at.